am so proud of you for everything. You're such a strong shark. And
Ina?
I forgot to fix my ceiling yesterday. So
Ina! My ceiling is leaking too! We can't have this!
You will do so many amazing things with everyone in Ian hololive. I'm so proud of you. And let's do our best. Give me all the head pats when we meet one day.
Back-breaking hug! Vertebrae or no vertebrae, alright? There's the deal.
Good thing I'm a okay, for you I will be a taco. And I'll say I don't have bones to break. I think they don't have bones to break, so it'll be fine,
I am so lucky to have each of them in my life. And I'm so lucky to have all of you in my life. Sorry I've been so emotional this stream. It wasn't supposed to be like this. I don't know why I'm like this, but I'm sorry. God, somebody call a plumber here. I am leaky. Dante! Oh my god!
Hey there, little sharky. So here's your special day.
Yes!
You know, you might have what it takes to be a third-rate demon hunter.
Third rate? What do you mean?
Second rate if you try hard enough.
What?
So, Gura.
Yeah?
What you got planned this special day?
Well, I had a lot planned,
Maybe
but
some
actually...
cake?
Okay.
How
Yeah.
about a pizza?
Yeah?
Make sure you hold those olives. Well, I better get back to work. Got demons to slay and clothes to flush. So, on this very special day, just make sure you enjoy it with all those special ladies you love so much. And happy special crazy birthday! Hooja!
Oh my god! Wacky Waffle Super Pizza Man! Oh my god, I'm gonna cry again! Captain, I think we're gonna need a bigger boat.